Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. To the fourth standard social studies class. Myself, Mrs. Fahim Patel, yours fourth standard SST teacher. In last previous class, we have learned 6 broad physical divisions of India. First one, the northern mountains. Second one, the northern plains. Third one, the desert region. Fourth one, the peninsular plateaus. Fifth one, the coastal plains. Sixth one, the islands. So, our second lesson name is the northern mountains, the first broad physical division of India. In this lesson, we will learn the Himalayan ranges, importance and role of the Himalayas. This is the part 1, the northern mountains, first video. Now comes, what is mountain? Mountain means what? A mountain is a large landform that rises above the surrounding land, usually in the form of a peak. Many types of mountains we are having, like Rocky Mountains. See, big rocks are there. See, Rocky Mountains. Thickly forest covered mountains. Thickly trees are covered. Snow covered mountains. Fully snow covered mountains. These all types of mountains we are having in northern mountain ranges. Now comes, what is range? Range means what? Range is a series or chain of mountains that are close together. See, the continuous line of mountains are called mountain ranges. One by one, side by side, the mountains are. This is called the mountain range. The northern mountains. The northern region of India is a mountainous region with snow-capped mountains and deep valleys. See, fully snow-covered mountains and deep valleys we are having in northern mountains. Now comes, what is valley? Valley means what? Valleys are low areas surrounded by mountains or hills. So many beautiful valleys we are having in northern mountains. The northern mountains are known as the Himalayas, meaning home of snow. Hima means snow, Layas means home. So Himalayas meaning home of snow. See, fully snow covered mountains we are having in Himalayas. Many freshwater rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra are originated in these mountains. See, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra originated from these mountains.
See students, this is our northern mountains of India. See this one, northern mountains of India. Sky blue color shade shows the northern mountains of India. First, we should know the main 4 directions. See, first one is north direction, This one south direction, this one east direction and west direction. So our India's north part of India and east of India, we are having northern mountains. See, the northern mountains region stretches from Jammu Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. We are having northern mountains. Up to Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, we are having northern mountains.
The northern mountain region covers 5 major states. See which are these states. Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, as well as Northeastern Seven Sisters. Northeastern Seven Sisters mean the eastern 7 states together called Seven Sisters. See which those states one by one. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram in the northeast region of India. Now, what is peak? Peak means what? The pointed top of mountain is called peak. See the circled area, the top of mountain is called peak. Many highest peaks we are having in the northern mountains. See, first one is Mount Everest. Its height is 8,848 meters. It is a part of Himalaya and it is located in Nepal. Now comes Kanchenjunga. Its height is 8,586 meters and it is also located in Himalaya. Now comes Nanda Devi. Its height is 7,817 meters. It is also a part of Himalaya.
See students, these are the northern mountain ranges. Up to here we are having northern mountain ranges. These ranges are about 2,400 kilometers. From here to here we are having 2,400 kilometers. These are the northern mountains. This is the Himalayan mountain ranges are about 2,400 kilometers long. These mountains ranges are made up of 3 parallel ranges. See, these mountains are made up of 3 parallel ranges. First one is this is the first range. This range is called the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. This one. Next, second one is the Middle Himalaya or Himachal. Third one is the Outer Himalaya or Shivalik Hills. These mountain ranges are made up of three parallel ranges. See this one, first one, second one and third one. This is the mountain ranges.
First one is the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Second one, the Middle Himalayas or Himachal. Third one, the Outer Himalayas or the Shivalik Hills. Now we will first we will learn the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The Greater Himalayas, also called the Himadri, from the northernmost mountain ranges of India. Many of the world's highest peaks, such as Mount Everest, Mount K2, Mount Kailash, Kanchenjunga are a part of the Himadri. Now comes glaciers. What is glaciers? Glaciers are huge blocks of ice that move very slowly down the mountains. In other words, the moving of snow is called glacier, or a river of snow is called glacier. The Greater Himalayas have glaciers like Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier and Yamunotri Glacier. First one is Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier and Yamunotri Glaciers. These melt as they come down the mountains and feed water and rich silt to rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Shatluj. These mountains snow melting and gives water to them. Ganga river, Yamuna river, Brahmaputra river and Shatluj river. The extreme climate and snow in these mountain ranges does not allow any form of life to survive here. Despite these mountaineers from across the world come here to climb these mountains, some of the highest peak in the world. Across the world, the mountaineers come to climb these peaks. See how they are climbing these mountains. In some places, streams and rivers make narrow cut in the mountains. People can go across the mountains through these passages. Such a passage is known as pass. Some images I will show you like that passes. In other words, mountain pass is a route through a mountain range or over a range. This is passes. The Mana Pass of Uttarakhand, Shipkila Pass of Himachal Pradesh. These are the Indian passes. So students, today we have learned the Himalayan ranges, the three ranges of Himalaya. First we have learned Today the Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Remaining two ranges we will learn in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.